Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making another one of Chef AJ's wonderful recipes. This one is pineapple unfried rice, and this is a great way to use up any leftover rice you have. No oil, no salt, no sugar is in this recipe. You're just going to be using some pineapple. I've got some veggies, and let's get started. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we've got a nice hot pan here. We're going to put one small onion, and this is chopped fairly small. I have this really cool little chopper that I use, and I'll put the link to that down below in the description box. So we're just going to let these caramelize a little bit, and we're not going to use any oil. If these start drying out, then I'm going to put a little bit of pineapple juice in there. So let's let these go for a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of pineapple juice. Now you can buy chunked pineapple, sliced pineapple, crushed pineapple, whatever you'd like. I had some leftover crushed pineapple, but I needed some pineapple juice, so I just got some of this at Trader Joe's. And as soon as this absorbs and the pan starts getting dry again, then you go ahead and add a little bit more until your onions are sauteed to the way you like them. So we're just going to let those go for a little bit longer. So let's add a little bit more pineapple juice. And you want to make sure you get 100% pineapple juice. You don't want any sugar added. Now we're going to add in a couple cloves of garlic, some turmeric, and some ginger. And I'm just going to use my little mincer here. Then we're just going to add this to our onions. Give those a minute or two. Kind of incorporate that. It makes it such a beautiful color too with that turmeric. Okay, a few more minutes. Next we're going to add a mixture of orange, yellow, and green peppers. Just use whatever peppers you have. It doesn't have to be this combination, but you can see that they're just all little teeny pieces. I love that little chopper. Everything's just even, so everything will cook at the same time. So we're gonna let these saute in with the onions and the garlic, turmeric, and ginger. And you don't need oil because these veggies, they release their own moisture. And we're adding a little pineapple juice, which will definitely flavor it up. It'll be nice and sweet. And that is it for right now, so let these go for a couple minutes. All right, let's add in the rest of our veggies. We've got about a cup of frozen peas. I got about a cup of green onions. And I'm gonna put in about a half a cup of crushed pineapple. We're going to give this a good stir. Look at those colors. Yum-o. So let this cook for another couple minutes, and we are just about there. Now we're going to add in about 3 cups of cooked brown rice, and I just had this left over. And I just think it's a great way to use up your brown rice. Now it's time to add in our organic coconut aminos. Get this at Trader Joe's. They have it at Whole Foods. And you're just going to put in, really to taste, but I like a lot of it. And this will kind of give it a little salty flavor. And against the sweet of the pineapple, it's a really nice contrast. So maybe half a cup. You're just going to let this cook for a bit. And if you need to add more, you certainly can. So let this cook for a couple minutes to heat the rice through. Once your rice is heated through, you are done. The last thing I like to do is just throw in a little chopped cilantro. If you're not a fan of cilantro, then you can leave it out. Absolutely. This will still be delicious. So let's plate this up and give it a try. All right, we're all done. And I like to pair mine with a little Asian salad. So you've got this beautiful rice. I topped it with some peanuts, and so you have a little crunch, and it's gonna be a little sweet and a little salty, and it's just really a great way to use up your rice, or it's just great to have any time. You can make fresh rice and do it. So let's give it a taste. So good. You just have that little saltiness from the coconut aminos, the sweetness from the pineapple, and then all those veggies in there. It is really, really good and really, really simple. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.